Meow.
Well, I'm picking that up.
He's trying to fly.
Did I miss that one?
He just dropped down, guys, and just wanted to say hello. Now tell us about cicadas. I'll hold them.
Oh, you want me to tell about them?
Yes, sir.
That's a 13-year cicada.
Okay, you hold it.
And there's a 7-year and there's a 17-year, and they all look the same. And the only difference between them is the time they emerge.
I thought the 7-year had a green eyes.
No, that's an annual.
Wow.
You get those every year. Red eyes, orange wing, black body.
And
Very cool deal.
so, are these entomologist people?
Been living in the ground 13 years.
Oh, you fucking. Oh!
It's not doing anything.
Yes, it is.
Alright, y'all like it, follow it.